Things are changing quickly for crypto, and I think XRP right now looks like it's gearing up for an explosive move. So that's what we're going to be talking about in today's video. XRP right now, $3.22. And I know a lot of people are disappointed with the price action of XRP recently because we got the end of the case and XRP didn't rocket to $100, $1,000 or $10,000 like some of the people that you may be following have been telling you for years. And guys, I have been saying that that's not how the liquidity works in this market, and I'm pretty sure I have a pretty firm grasp on how things work. So if you appreciate the fact that I talk to you guys and I don't use all this moon jargon, then do subscribe to the channel. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I do think XRP is going to break the all-time highs, and I think that it can get somewhere relatively high from here. And right now, this looks like a little consolidation pattern that could explode to the upside. So you can see here we had a higher high and we put in a higher low, and now we're on our way up to hopefully break this all-time high region. Now my trade right here, almost $4,000 in the XRP profit. We're just sitting patiently waiting for this to move. I've taken some profits from my XRP trade over here, and I'm just waiting to see what will happen next. Now, it's really nice to see. This is Dr. Profit here over on Twitter, and it's great to see that he's talking about his 3 largest investments for this bull market. They are all top performers, and in his opinion, the best picks in terms of risk to reward, and they are Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. So we don't need to be in any particular camp. You don't need to hate Bitcoin or Ethereum if you hold XRP. You don't need to hate XRP if you hold Bitcoin. There's opportunity out there, and in fact Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP are the top performers according to Dr. Profit here. So that's why I like to have a diverse portfolio. You can see Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP in my portfolio, along with Doge, along with Sol, along with Sui, all massive opportunities in this market. And we don't need to hold just one and be, angry at all the other places and all the other projects. No, we don't need to do that. We also don't need to spread false information that you'll find so much if you just search XRP on Twitter. There's so much information that's skewed in the wrong direction. That's not quite exactly what's going on, and that all leads to there being these massive price expectations. And when those don't get hit, people get annoyed, they start to sell, and then they miss out on potential runs to the upside. So that's what I'm trying to talk to you guys about. Now, I said things are changing quickly. We had yesterday CPI data coming in lower than expected. We also have ETH breaking out right now. As you know, I think if ETH continues to break and goes above its all-time high, this could be the liquidity event we're looking for to actually have an alt season. That alt season will be very good for the likes of XRP, in my opinion. And guys, we also do have the Treasury Secretary saying that the Fed should cut interest rates by 50 basis points in September, which now has a 94% chance of happening. So this is all happening right now, and all of this is resulting in the altcoin search term going absolutely parabolic right now. What does this show us? People are getting excited about potential liquidity entering the market because of these rate cuts. We even have some YouTube channels calling for Bitcoin to 500K, then an 80% crash after that. But imagine if Bitcoin goes up to 500K, imagine what Ethereum and XRP could do as well. But I agree. I'm not sure about an 80% crash, but there will be a big crash to come. And that is why I'm always talking about taking profits on this channel. And I will be showing you guys, just like I show when I get in, I'll be showing you guys when I'm taking profits from my trades and all of that good stuff. So all you need to do is subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.